If you want to learn an incredibly easy step-by-step process to start making affiliate commissions on Instagram, be sure to watch this entire video. What we'll learn inside this video is number one, how to properly set up your Instagram profile so it compels people to want to follow you. See, the more people that you get to follow you on Instagram, the more people that are going to see your affiliate link, the more people that are going to buy, and the more money you're actually going to start to make. Number two is I'm going to share with you how to start gaining targeted followers that are interested in buying what you're promoting. Now, contrary to the first point, you don't need a massive amount of followers. Even a good targeted 100 followers can start to make you some really good money, as you'll see in this video. Number three is I'm going to share with you exactly what to post on your profile to start generating those affiliate commissions. A lot of people, they go on Instagram, they're trying to promote, they have no idea the right posts, and oftentimes they're actually pushing people away. So I'm going to share with you what to post so you can start to get results. And number four, I'm going to share with you an easy method to get even more people to find your posts. So these posts are going to subconsciously compel people to be interested in checking out whatever product you're promoting. And I'm going to share with you an easy method to get even more people to see those posts so you can make as much money as possible. But be sure to smash the like button below if you're excited to learn these incredible steps. And also be sure to stay until the very end of the video because you're going to learn a few bonus tips to make even more money with Instagram with way less work. And you don't want to miss this. Okay, my friends, so the very first step is to obviously have an affiliate product or products that you're promoting or wanting to promote on your Instagram profile. Now, if you don't already, there's a few key places that I recommend you go. ClickBank, as you can see on the screen right now, is one of the places where you can find different affiliate products in different niches, okay? Health and fitness, wealth, relationships. So you can sign up with ClickBank and find products. Also, my other favorite place is going to be a link under the video in the description. When you click that link, you're going to be able to sign up for an independent affiliate program. Now, the reason I like that one is because the products that you can promote actually pay you 100% commissions up to $2,000. So once you have that product, you want to go to Instagram, and the very first step is to properly set up your profile. Now, a lot of people go wrong on Instagram because they use a random picture on their profile. They aren't targeted with their bio. Now, I'm not currently promoting on my Instagram. I've made thousands and thousands of dollars on my Instagram in the past. I mostly focus on YouTube and a couple other sources right now, but I'm going to share with you the secrets that I use to actually build 23,000 followers and make multiple affiliate commissions. What you want to do is first off decide, do you want to be a brand or do you want to brand yourself? Okay, so think long-term, think about what you want to do with affiliate marketing. If you're promoting something and the program has to do with working one-on-one with people or more like network marketing where you're building a team, then I highly recommend you use yourself, okay? So you create an Instagram profile, or if you already have one, you make it about yourself, you put your name, okay, as the actual account name, and you use a attractive picture as your profile picture on Instagram, because people, when it comes to those type of businesses and those type of affiliate programs, people join people. Now, if you're promoting something like a health and fitness product, okay, maybe how to lose weight, then you can brand the profile as a fitness motivation page, okay? Motivation and sharing quotes and things like that, as you'll see in a second in this video, is one of the best ways to actually get people to follow your account and to buy from you, okay? So don't worry if you don't want to use your own self as the profile. Again, depending on what affiliate program you promote, it's going to depend. You go to Google, search in, health and fitness logo, put a logo here, make this, a name that has to do with whatever product you're promoting. And then the next step is we want to put in our bio something about what we're doing. Now, I'm currently in Brazil, and again, this is more for making friends and things like that, okay? So this isn't necessarily what you want to model. What you want to write in your bio is a synopsis, a little description on why someone should actually follow you. What is your page about? Now, if it's a personal page about you, you could say, I'm passionate about helping people lose weight and gain muscle. Or If it's a brand profile, you could say something like, we share the latest motivation and tips to get you to your ideal weight. Short statement that's going to get people interested to actually want to follow you. The next step, and this is one of the most important, is you want to put your link in your bio. If you go to ClickBank or at the link below, you're going to get a affiliate link, and usually it's a long link, and this is very unattractive. Okay, so we want to actually mask that link and make it short and attractive. Now, one way you can actually do this for free is to go to a site called bit.ly, okay, bit.ly. And what you can do is go here, you hit create, you paste your affiliate link in there, and you hit create. And what that does is it takes your long, ugly affiliate link and it makes it very short, okay? And then you can take that link and you can put it in your bio. So now we've set up our profile, okay? Now we've got an attractive profile picture. We have a good name, okay? And don't kill yourself coming up with the name. Now, the next step is to start to gain followers. Now, how do we gain followers? Well, in the past, you could use softwares and things like that, but Instagram typically looks down upon that right now. It's very difficult to find softwares and things that will actually work. So we're gonna just spend a little bit each day, I mean, no more than 10 minutes a day, to start to build targeted followers. Okay, now how do we do that? Well, what we want to do is go to this search bar on Instagram. You can do it on your smartphone or on a PC or Mac. And we want to think about what our product is. What niche is the affiliate product that we're actually promoting? Is it in health and fitness? Is it in weight loss? Is it in making money online? Whatever we decide on, that's what we want to search it here. Okay, so let's say it's health and fitness. Okay, so what we would type in is the hashtag sign, okay, like that. Let me zoom in. The hashtag sign followed by a word or two without any spaces on the niche, okay? So I could do weight loss. Okay, now there's 69 million photos on here that have done weight loss. But what we want to realize is that this is going to share with us people that have tagged words that are related to the product. So what we want to understand is if we just hover over here, okay, so we hover our mouse over, or on a phone, you can click on it, you're going to see how many likes these pictures got. Now, what we want to do is open this picture up, okay, any of them that look, you know, decent. And what we want to do is we want to go down, okay, click on who liked it, and we want to follow these people. Now, you may be thinking, Garrett, why are we following these people? Well, think about this. These people have liked a post that is related to what our product helps people do. The product in this example would be losing weight. So these people that have liked it are either interested in losing weight, have already lost weight, or know someone that's probably interested in losing weight. So what we want to do is we want to follow these people. Now, you don't want to just spam follow a ton of people because Instagram has restrictions. I recommend no more than maybe 30 a day. Okay, they're always updating it. But if you do 30 slowly, you know, wait a few seconds in between each one, and you do no more than 30 a day, then you can start to get people accepting your follow. Now, you may be thinking, well, if I'm following them, how are they going to see our posts? Well, it's called reciprocation, okay? It's a psychological principle, and what happens is a lot of people, when you follow them, they're going to go to your profile, check out your profile, and follow you, okay? A good portion, especially if you followed what I shared in the first step, which is how to set up your profile properly, are gonna actually follow you back. And once they follow you back, now they're gonna start seeing our posts. And when I share with you in a second the exact type of posts to make, now they're gonna wanna go to our bio, click our affiliate link, decide to buy, and you're gonna be able to have money flowing in very easily. There's really two main types of posts I recommend on your Instagram feed, okay, on your profile. Number one is value, and number two is results, okay? Value and results. These are the two main types of posts I personally recommend you do. Now, value, what do I mean by value? Well, it depends on whatever niche the product and your profile are in. So one of the best ways to share value is motivational quotes, okay? Because what I mean by value is anything that's making someone's life better. It could be motivation, it could be tips, it could be training. So what we can do is, again, if in health and fitness, you can go to Google, okay? If I go here, you can go to Google and you can type in weight loss motivation, okay? And you can go to images, and boom, okay, you have all these motivational quotes and pictures that you can start posting on your Instagram that are gonna get those new followers that are already interested in losing weight to start to like your posts, because it's gonna resonate with them, okay? And you can, download these, you can screenshot it on your phone, and you can just go ahead and post this on your Instagram, okay? Do it for the people who wanna see you fail, weight loss motivation secrets, okay? You can post these things on your profile. You can also do weight loss tips. Okay, so you can see that there's different tips here. Okay, right here, this would be a great thing that you could post on your Instagram if you're in the weight loss niche. Okay, so that's the first thing you want to post, are value. A lot of people, they just try to pitch and it doesn't work, because people have to actually like you, trust you, and know you before they're going to buy from you. So we have to build that trust by posting value. Now, once you post value and you do maybe 3 value posts, okay, there's no hard rule, but I recommend at least 3 value posts for every result post. That's gonna be a good formula. Now, what do I mean by results? Well, people are skeptical nowadays. Think about yourself. Think about when you've maybe bought something online. Did you have to look at reviews? Did you have to see other people that have said they've gotten results with it? Okay, chances are you had. So what we wanna do is share results of other people that have gotten results with the product that we're promoting. Now, how do we find those results? Well, if you use ClickBank or the link below, that affiliate program, on the sales page, and sometimes if the affiliate program has a Facebook group, you can actually go in there and they have testimonials of people, okay? On ClickBank, if you go to the sales page, often they have pictures of people that have lost weight or people that have made money, okay? So you can take a screenshot of that picture and post it on your Instagram, okay? And then in the caption, you could say something like, wow, I'm so excited for this person. They used our proven training and they started to lose weight. If you're interested, and this is the key, if you're interested in learning more, click the link in my bio. So with the value posts, you're not asking anything, you're just posting value, you're posting goodwill, you're getting people to like you, know you, and trust you. With the result post, you're giving a call to action. You're telling people, hey, if you want results like this, and chances are they will, because we've used that proven method to find the right followers, then go ahead and check out the link in my bio. And when they go to the link, which many people will, the link is going to take them to an affiliate page that will sell them on a product that they're interested in anyway. Now, once you're posting those posts, you want to understand that there's another way that you can actually get more people to see your posts. And you may know this already, especially if you're on Instagram, but it's hashtags. And a lot of people go wrong with hashtags. So I'm going to share with you some key insights you want to understand. Now, hashtags are basically words that will go underneath, either in the first comment of your post, or you can put it in the actual caption of that picture, okay? So you can see right here, I did a caption right here. Well, I could have put some hashtags in this caption, okay? And people would have found this post. Now, what hashtags do you actually do? Well, again, we want to type in that hashtag sign, and we want to type in a few words that have to do with our niche. So we could do weight loss, okay, or gain muscle. Now, what we want to do though is we want to look at, when we start to type in these words, you can see how many posts. This is how much competition this actually is. Okay, so 69 million people have posted on weight loss. Now, we don't want to do that because our posts will never be seen. Okay, we want to go for something that has a lot less competition. Okay, this is a key strategy. So you could do one that has 100,000. Okay, weight loss tip. So I could search there. And okay, I'm gonna see these people's pictures, and chances are your picture will actually show up here too. And when your pictures show up, what happens is people that are interested in that topic, interested in our niche that our product is in, will actually be searching here and come across our pictures, go to our profile, and decide to follow us, decide to follow our posts, and buy in the affiliate link. Okay, so another tip, how do we find more of these? You can just open up these people's pictures, and chances are they have a lot more, okay? And you can just use these in your pictures and posts as well. Muscles and curves, girl who lifts, okay? Then you can click this, and you can just do some research, okay? And you can just keep going down the rabbit hole to get more and more hashtags. Now, before I get going, I want to share with you a few simple more tips to make this even easier for you. Okay, now what you have to realize is Instagram now has stories. Okay, these are basically videos that or pictures that you can post on your Instagram, and people see that. Now, sometimes nowadays more people are seeing the Instagram stories than they are the actual pictures in these posts right here. Okay, so you can upload the result pictures, the value also to your Instagram story, and you can actually create a piece of text on those pictures and tell people, hey, if you're interested in learning more, click the link in my bio. And I've made a lot of money doing this. I promote products in the make money online niche, and you can see I shared a result. This is my own result. Anyone can do this. Swipe up to learn how. Now, if you have a certain amount of followers, you can get people to swipe up. You can just say, hey, if you haven't checked out my free training, or if you want results like this, okay, go to the link in my bio. You can also message people, okay, as they accept you as a follower or as they follow you, you can actually reach out to them in the direct message. Just, message them personally. Hey, thanks so much for following me. How's it going? And you can have a little bit of conversation. You can see if they need help. And if they do, you can say, hey, I had a lot of success, or other people did. Check out my product in my bio and see what you think. Okay, if you want to do a little bit more manual, you can actually message these people. But this is the formula for affiliate marketing on Instagram for free. If you got value in this video and you want me to make more step-by-step training, be sure to like this video. Also subscribe so you don't miss out on my latest weekly trainings. And last but not least, if you want access to my #1 affiliate program to get paid 100% commissions up to $2,000, click the first link below to get access to a totally free video breaking everything down. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.